out on it since I had it serviced. Just heading out of the village where I live. I'm planning on having a run out to the coast. The east coast, that is. I'll just see where I finish up. Certainly getting very autumnal now. We're getting a few autumn colours in the leaves. Not be long before they're all bare. I think it's 24th of September today, Monday. Just going to nip up here through this place called Barrow Hill. There's the Barrow Hill Roundhouse there on the left hand side. Railway Museum. Yeah, the plan is to ride out towards Worksop, then out to Retford, Gainsborough, through the Lincolnshire Wolds via Market Raisin and Louth, and then over to the coast somewhere just below Cleethorpes, where there's a little spot called Donna Nook. I've never been to it before. As far as I'm aware, there's not a great deal there, but it's an area where the RAF and I believe the Americans as well, the United States Air Force, do a lot of weapons training. So they fly in from the sea and let rip with whatever they've got. Drop bombs, fire the cannons and rockets. Maybe no activity whatsoever today, but the days are starting to get short and the weather's not been greater lately, what with gales and storms, so you've just got to make the most of these dry, bright days. Town called Staveley, North Derbyshire. If I'm at the top of this road, I can join the A619, which takes me through to Worksop. Worksop in the distance. Take long to get here. Now I've got a choice here. I either drop onto the A1, which I'm not keen on, or I take the back road past Randby Prison. If I can find it after all these years, I'm looking for the Randby Prison road. I need to turn left at this roundabout here. I think this place or bloody hell, these are all going the same way. Manhood, that's the place we're heading for. 70s or early 80s. Retford. Be interesting to see how they've altered the roads round here. If I can pick my way through and find where the road I want to be on. Visor up. Main line. Retford Station down there somewhere on the right hand side. River Trent. That's a rarity. There's very few places you can actually cross the River Trent. You've got Newark. You've got here Gainsborough. And then there's another bridge at Dunham. That's a bit better. More open view. This must be Caneby Corner, this roundabout that's coming up. Yep. Lincoln one way. Some hills over there. Not exactly huge ones, but certainly higher than where I am. Parking Brazen, right. I don't want to go to Lincoln. I want the A631. Says his road is closed. That's all you want. That's a bit of a setback. Sure that somewhere along here must be a lane, a junction or something. Takes me over to the left. Nothing so far. Ah, where's this take you? We'll get to go down here. I'm all for an explore. Now, what we got here? Oh, railway crossing. Managed to negotiate that pretty well, didn't we? Now then, where are we here? It says Middle Raisin. Linwood. Middle Raisin and West Raisin. Well, surely there's a route to Market Raisin. Back over the railway line. Oh no, road ahead closed again. Which route? Oh, that way. Oh, well. I've bypassed the closed bit. That's something to be thankful for. A631, here's where we're going. Right, I'm back on the road I wanted to be on. Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. Now it's whether I can find my way from here. Right, where's this take us to? Louth. Why has he gone through a red light? Nice twisty roads. The surface isn't bad either. Mablethorpe, Skegness, Louth straight ahead. So the plan is to go through Louth, which may be a big mistake. But we'll see. As I recall, I need to take a right turn down here somewhere. I can't remember exactly where. Ah, Summercoats. Now that rings a bell. I think it's North Summercoats I want to be heading for. North Summercoats, here we go. Right, where are we? Oh, South Summercoats. Can't be far away now. Here we are, North Summercoats. So all I've got to do now is look for a road that takes me up to Donanook. Not sure whether this is the right road. I think there's 2 lanes, but they do join up, so at least I believe they join up. I'll soon discover whether they do or not. Donanook, the sea. So that's RAF Donanook. Should I have gone up there? I think I should have turned up there. Well, this is Donanook. It's just a marshy, flat area on the Humber estuary. I can hear plenty of aerial activity, but nothing obvious. Can't actually see any aircraft, they all seem to be so high up. But I've certainly heard the ordnance coming down, rockets and such like. Somewhere out there, looks like it's a gas rig or an oil rig. Keep hearing things, missiles or something coming in. Well, that was quite interesting. I had about half an hour there at Donanook and got talking to a chap who was obviously a keen aircraft spotter or whatever with his camera, and it seems that there was about 4 F-15s from RAF Lakenheath practicing. You did have difficulty seeing them at times because they were coming in quite high, but you could certainly hear the missiles coming in. Couldn't hear them exploding, but apparently they were, according to this guy, he'd been listening in on the radio, and they were aiming at target number 4, which apparently is further down the coast, more southerly. It's a bit, so they were out of view really, but occasionally you could see like a plume of smoke going up. So I assume that's where the missiles were striking. Yeah, it was quite interesting, that. I didn't see any seals. I didn't walk very far though down the public footpath. So now I'm going to take a steady run down the coast road down towards Skegness, Mablethorpe and Skegness, and then a steady run back towards Hull.